Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Today I'm going to show you how you can add the logo in the header of your website and how you can add that same logo or another different logo in the footer of your website. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the general settings section of your website. Here you will see the brand images button. Click on upload the website logo. Select the logo from your computer. Now I will select the logo and save changes. Let's refresh the page. The logo is here. We can adjust the size from here. For example, let's do 150 pixel. For example, refresh the page. Now it's of small size. Now if you want to display this logo in the footer section of your website, you can go to toolbox and menu manager of your website. Here click on footer menu and edit it. Here you can add a new section and make it above. Now write a code here. For example, the width is 150 pixel. Now here you need to paste the URL of your logo. You can get this URL from media manager section of your website. Now this is your logo. Copy the URL from last to backslash. Click Ctrl C, copy it. Now go back to the footer menu and remove this image URL, and between these inverted commas paste that URL and click on save changes. Let's refresh the page. Now our logo is here. You can decrease or increase the size by these pixels. Let's do 200 and refresh. The size is increased. I will use 150. Let's remove this about text. You need to remove only text, not the box. Now it is looking good. Thanks so much. Now if you want me to do this functionality on your website, you can let us know. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.